Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jazakallah.
Imagine a person who strives to save lives of others. How much of mercy he is encompassed in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's always in the mercy of Allah ta'ala. That's why we should appreciate those that are working for us. The police force that is working, the NHS staff all around, the doctors, the nurses, everyone that are day and night, they are putting their lives at risk, and they are putting the lives of you and I as civilians in the forefront to save us. We need to make dua for them, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on them, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows them the correct path and guide them and save them also from this illness, save them also from these viruses.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jazakallah.